There is no shortage of resources out there on the internet to help small business owners and entrepreneurs create websites. But after 14 years of building websites for people like you, I have come to the conclusion that the process that is taught to the general public about building websites is completely backwards. It starts from the wrong end of things, and 80% of owner built websites either fail to launch or fail to deliver the desired results. It's crazy. And while it's cool that there are end user tools that let you build the website, the biggest problem that I see is that people start building without a clear vision, without a clear blueprint, without good maps, and without a good sense of what content to put where and why. So in this 2-hour workshop, we are going to, in real time, workshop some maps, some customer journey maps, site maps, some business workflow maps. We're also going to work on clarity and some copywriting secrets from the inside of the web design business that you can use to apply to your page content. And at the end of this 2-hour workshop, I want you to walk away with a completely revised idea of the website design process. You don't have to become a website developer to make a great website. You just have to have a great plan.